Today, we're going to create a remarketing sales campaign targeting people who visited your e-commerce product pages or added products to the cart but did not complete a purchase. This is one of the most powerful meta ad strategies because we're targeting warm audiences who already showed buying intent. First, log in to Meta Ads Manager. From the left menu, click on Audiences. Click Create Audience, then select Custom Audience. Choose Website as the source and click Next. Now select the correct meta pixel connected to your website. Under Events, select View Content. This means we're targeting people who viewed a product page. Now click Exclude and select the Purchase event. This ensures people who already bought are removed from this audience. Set the audience retention period. For this tutorial, I'm setting it to 14 days. Give your audience a clear name. For example, Product View, No Purchase, 14 days. Click Create Audience. Your remarketing audience is now ready. These are users who viewed products but didn't purchase. Now go back to Ads Manager. Click the green Create button. Select the campaign objective, Sales. Rename your campaign for easy tracking. Make sure Catalog is turned on because we want to show dynamic product ads. Set your campaign budget, then click Next. Set the conversion location to Website. Under Performance Goal, select Maximum Number of Conversions. For Conversion Event, select Purchase, because we want to optimize for sales. Under Product Set, select All Products, since we are retargeting users who viewed different products. Set your location. Click Further Limit the Reach of your ads. Select the last option, Further Limit the Reach of your ads again to enable detailed control. Click Continue. Now edit the Custom Audience section. Add the remarketing audience we just created. Uncheck Use this audience as a suggestion. This is important because we want the ads to show only to this remarketing audience without audience expansion. You'll notice the audience size is small and narrow, which is expected. These are only people who visited product pages in the last 14 days. Keep Advantage Plus placements turned on. Click Next. At the ad level, select the correct Facebook page. For ad format, choose Carousel. This allows Meta to dynamically show the products that users already viewed. The product images will be automatically pulled from your catalog. Set your destination URL to your homepage or product page depending on your strategy. Add primary text and headline. Under Creative Enhancements, you can turn on automatic features to help Meta optimize your ad creative. Under Tracking, select the correct metapixel. Review all campaign, ad set, and ad level settings carefully. If everything looks good, click Publish. That's how you create a high-converting remarketing sales campaign targeting users who viewed products or added items to the cart but didn't purchase.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with any meta ads or digital marketing questions. I'll be happy to help.